Back to my channel. This is QQ King. You can also call me Raid. Here's the box. It just came. So before we open that, I just want to say how StockX they deliver so fast. So this is how fast StockX. I'm not sure it's right. There we go. I ordered these on the 16th, and today's the 23rd. So it just took them a week for them to verify and ship it to my house. So which is really good. Alright, so I'm gonna start opening the box and show you guys. Alright guys, the box is open. So what comes in, some little bubbles. Yes. Oh my god, my first Yeezy. I don't know.
A few moments later.
Throw that away. Here we go. 350. Adidas Boost 350, made by Adidas Kanye West. Here's the size. I'm a 10.5. I got the Beluga ones. Alright, let's open this up. Oh my god, so excited. Okay, there we go. Alright, so here's the box. Oh my gosh, so here's your paper from StockX. I'm not gonna show so much, but it's StockX, that's the paper. And it comes with a card. It shows like how to says upload to Instagram #StockX, get featured, and brag about your friends. So here's their card, and they got stickers. So yep. And here are the Belugas. Oh my god, they feel so good. Yeezy's Belugas 2.0. So here's that like little tag. Everything looks good. Okay, let's check out the other pair. Now the other pair should have this one. This is the verified tag that they have. One of their person verified the shoes, so everything looks so good so far. Yep. Yep. There's that little verified sticker in there. There we go. Has that little sticker to the side, just like inside the shoe, just to verify that they're from Adidas and they're not fakes. So if you guys catch these are fakes, you guys let me know in the comment below to see if I took a L. But other than that, yep. Alright, so that's the Yeezy unboxing. So just stay tuned. You're gonna see this little clip I made.
Take it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that my love is fire. His heart was a stone, but then his hands were on. I turned him to gold and it took him higher. Well, I'll be a daydream. I'll be your favorite things. We could be beautiful. Get drunk on the good life. I'll take you to paradise. Say you'll never let me go.
Thank you guys for watching. These are my Yeezys, my first Yeezys, Belugas 2.0, first ever pair of Yeezys. So thank you. If you guys can like, comment, subscribe. Maybe order some more off the StockX, or if they have a drop coming, I will let you guys know. But other than that, catch me in the next video. Peace out.